See, this is the total. I'm going to do it. So right click and show rule. Okay, I'm going to do formula. Okay, now formula, go to edit here and okay. Before going to do cancel it, I need to map them source fields. This is formula, right? Order quantity. One more field. See here, I'm going to do edit. We need to add two source fields and we need to do it. Okay, down. I'm doing multiplication. Last time we did concatenate. Now I'm doing it multiplication. That is characteristic. This is key figure. Now activate it. See here, when you place this cursor, when you place the cursor, it highlighted the two fields. It is mapped to network and KW range, and you can see total formula and activate it. So in the existed transformation also, just keep place the cursor in F and you will get the formula in the real time also. Okay, or else it's very difficult to you understand all these options. And what you do here, Z total. Just type it. And here you can see where it was mapped. See, it is mapped to this. It is mapped to this. And here network. So like this you can see both. Okay. But two things we cannot put okay at one time. Only one field you can give it. Okay, let me activate DTP. Now go to here. And now in the ADSO we need to drop the data. Let me go here. Go back. Because system will not understand. The structure is different. And previously we have concat. Now we don't have concat and we added new field that is Z total. So might be we'll get some issues, dump error will come because system will not understand. Okay, now after deleting the data, so system will understand easily. Flexibility to adjust the data. Right, now you can see refresh. See now I can see. Okay, now if you want to activate, you can activate it. Now you can go to utilities and you can check data and the active data. Click on OK. Remove. Exit. Where is our field? This is the field. See here, you can see what is the calculation of these two. Let me bring calculation fields. Okay, KW means this is the order quantity. Select this one and go to here. Net price. Now you can see here 20 into 2000. So you can system window R. I clicked on window R and type cal calc, CALC, and now you can do the calculations. Okay, and do 2000. Okay, 2000. Here we have a comma. That means in the Europe they will consider comma as a dot. Okay. For example, for us like no 2000 dot. Okay, that means they will consider dot as a full stop. I mean comma as a full stop from their end. Europe side. Okay, so we have to consider this as a 2000. 2000 into 20. You will get 40,000. See, 40,000 only, comma means full stop. Okay, for the Europe. Okay, we need to consider 40,000. So it is calculating two zeros as the decimal. If you want to remove decimal, you can play around in the transformation as well. Just go here and you can put them where you will go here. You can remove or like, yes. Decimals 5 is there, and if you don't want decimals you can remove them as well. Okay, and in the report also we can easily handle them. Okay, where you will handle in the report level, example I will create one report. Okay, create report. So in the back end will be same. Okay, in the front end z remove decimals for the particular field. Now go to here, and if you have, whereas go to sheet definition, you can drag and drop Z total. Okay, Z total here, and I will do okay and item. Okay, I'm selecting this option and go to here number of decimals. Okay, here you can select. Okay, I'm selecting first zero one. See, by default it was selected this option by default, and so I'm going to select this option and save it. So basically we will handle not in the back end. This is front end. You can call this as a front end. Back end means transformation level. So now I will execute this query and you can see it. Okay, let me put this is never so that it will not display result for every row. Go here and do it. And go to data management query. Search for our, okay, this is standard ADS4. So which one knows? Okay. Now you can see 40,000. So in Europe, they will consider that as a comma. Okay, 40,000. So in the DSO, how much it is there? 40,000. Here 0. 0 into 15, 0. And 100 into 100. You can see same values. 4 into 10, what is this? Okay, here 61, 29. Okay. So like this, you will get exact value in the front end. We can handle it. Okay, if you want handle in the back end also, so but we are not going to display right those values. So you can handle in the front end. Okay, fine. And then Go here and do the other exercise. So now we understood formula. So we having many formula functions. You can try them. Okay, you can go here and you can do it. Show rules, and we having multiple functions. Go to edit, and you can do like no date functions. Okay, you can convert date to okay, add date to date, and see multiple date differences. So you can try all these options. Last working day. Okay, based on this function. These are all ready-made functions. You can try all these options. Okay. And other functions also you can see. Yeah, all these options you can see. This is like no negative. Okay, we'll test now. And okay, for here only I will do it. Okay. And go here and you can open bracket and close bracket, and I can try with the negative. What is this option? Negative, right? Okay, now we can see. Okay, let me close this one. And you can add one more field and you can do it. Okay, let me do it. Go back, remove the data, select and delete it. And now I will add one more field. For same, Z total 2. This is total. And this is decimal. I will keep same decimal. And this is for and activate it. Now go transformations and close this one because sometimes it will not refresh automatically. Now go to this data flow and you can double click. Might be it will refresh. Go to transformation. Here we have a this one. And now go to show rule and I select this one for more and add the field. Let me map it. Okay. Okay. So it is not coming from source, right? Okay. I will add one KW range. Select this option and okay, go to edit mode. Now here, what is that other option? There is a reverse assignment. You can select our field. Select this field and now we can do it. Okay, and now close this one. Now activate it. Okay, no issues. Now we can keep this one. See, this is negative KW range. Okay, now you can execute this DTP. Go back and execute. Okay, this time I did not execute DTP, so this is why I'm getting. Let me okay. Okay, DTP is not activated. Still, it is active mode, inactive mode, and you can activate it. So it is not allowing do here itself. Okay, close this one and go back. And I will activate here. So we need to activate here DTP. Okay. So now it is inactive. You can see here. Red color means corner, red color means inactive. Now we'll go here and you can try. Execute. It will be in the active mode. Earlier it was in revised mode. Now you can execute. This is how it will reflect the changes to. Okay, now you can go administration data target. Okay, I will go here in inbound table and execute it. Here you will see only 100 values. Okay, anyhow, what is our value? Here, see here. So now you can see here. See, this is what we did this one. Just understand the, okay, formula. Just understand the formula. Don't confuse it. So our field is KW range. What we are trying to do it. Okay. Okay, I'm making this as a, okay, yeah, now you will understand, okay. See here, now you can see, okay, both we have it, KW range and here. See, 20 minus 20, 15 minus 15, because I have taken decimal 4, okay, 1 minus 1. So every positive value, it will negate the value. So this is how negative will work. We are reversing the value, that's it. Okay, we are reversing the every positive value into negative, negative value into positive value. So you can see all this. This is how it will work. This is kind of different formula. Okay, go to here and you can see. If you want to delete, you can delete this option. Directly it will delete it. So this is how these options will come. So you can try with all these formulas, okay? And then you will see. And I want to show you constant. I want to show you constant. So the constant value is like, no, I want to show you constant 10. Okay, and now, okay, now you can see C. C means constant. What is the value? 10 only. And activate it. Okay, this is activated and immediately you can activate this DTP as well. And now execute this option. Refresh it. Refresh. Okay, already values are there. Let me remove. Delete them. Now you can execute. Because we are doing delta. So delta already updated. So it will update 0 records. Now I deleted it completely. Now it will update only 500 records. Now you can see here. what was the value for this and what we did now. What we did in transformation, constant, right? Z total 2, you can see. Where is Z total 2? You can see all are 10, 10, 10, 10. This is constant. This is how it will work. In the real time physical variant, always we are keeping it different. Like no, if you are working with if you are working with USA or Europe, okay, India. So the fiscal variant K4, always K4 for Europe or USA. For India, V3. This is standard. Okay, this is standard. Okay, V3 for India and USA and Europe, K4. K4 means adjustments. Fiscal variant is adjustments. Variant is adjustments. Always we are keeping with K4 constant. And if it is India project, it will be all V3. If it is Middle East project, different. If it is a Middle East project, they have different variant. Okay, based on their business requirement. Like K4 means adjustments. Like we are working, right? So we are working April to March. April to March. So you are paying tax, right? From where to where? You are paying every month. We need to pay the taxes to the government. Okay. In the Middle East, we don't have any tax payments. They don't have concept of tax payments in Dubai. So we have tax payments. And in the USA, they have different tax payments. Okay. So now they are giving 50% tariff for Indian things. For Chinese, different tax payments. For different countries, they have different tax payment tariffs. So based on that, they have to calculate in the system level. Once government is policy changing, they have to change the tax policies as well accordingly. Okay. So as of now, for tax, okay, Chinese is 15%. For India is 50%. Okay, the tax systems will work. Okay, and they will give, okay, financial consultant, they will give this is a fiscal variant and we will use same thing. Like we need to pay the tax government January to March. So we need to submit the IT declarations. You know, right? IT declarations. IT declarations. You are earning the salary from government. You are earning the salary within the India and we need to pay the tax to the government. Okay, if you are crossing to 12 lakhs, then you have to pay the tax. Okay, so that is different slabs. We have different slabs. Based on that, you have to pay the tax. And now, okay, so you did IT declaration and okay, you did IT declaration. Accordingly, tax will deduct. And finally, okay, 2025, January and Feb and March. Okay, so they will calculate your submission, IT declaration. This is only in the system level. So I'm going to invest in this ELSS mutual funds. I'm going to invest ATC, something. You will declare, okay. Now, every year, January, we need to submit the document to our company. Wherever you are working, you need to submit the documents to the company. Maybe you are Sukanya, you are investing into Sukanya, ATC. Maybe you are investing into PPF. Maybe you are investing into different sectors, LIC. term insurance. That we need to show them. Okay. So if we have physical, we need to submit the physical document to the government. All soft copies we need to share with them. Okay, they will verify, and based on that, okay, so already they deducted salary amount. For example, 1 lakh, they deduct that tax, tax for from your salary. Okay, they will calculate whatever you submitted. Okay, in January, soft copies. Okay, you will say I invested LIC, invested Sukanya, invested 80D, 80D, invested 80E, 80E, and invested 80G. Like this, you need to submit the documents. Okay, what they will calculate, they will calculate. So they will give you, they will return the amount to you. They will return 60,000 to you based on your submission of documents. Okay, if you want to pay the amount to the still government, you have to pay. So this is kind of like no adjustments. These adjustments where will happen? Okay, our fiscal year is April to March. April to March. Okay, so now April to June. This is kind of K4. Okay, this is kind of 4 months. All adjustments they will do here. I mean, they will verify the documents. You have to, okay, they will verify all your submitted documents and they will adjust and they will return or you have to pay the amount to them. Okay, here verification will happen. That is called adjustments. So this is how we will call as fiscal variant. Okay. And some countries will have tax systems, some countries we don't have tax systems. Okay. And we'll discuss, okay, and this is direct assignment, right? And formulas. These are all direct assignment. You can see here, show rule. This is direct assignment. That means if we remove, nothing will be, data is floating. So for example, now I will delete rule. So it will be blank only and activate it. So because I didn't map it, I didn't map it. Now you can go and see it, rule type. Now you can go here and you can show rule type. So here, no update and constant both, I mean, no update and no transformation both are same. No transformation, no update, both are same. Okay, both are same. No update, no transfer. Both are same. So we saw formula and we saw constant, and now we are checking no update. No update means we are not, data will not flow. Okay, and here this also Z total also will keep same thing. And now close this one and I will remove. Okay, delete rule simply. Okay, so this also will not flow anything because I deleted the rule. Okay, now once you load the data, okay, now we'll go here and we'll delete the data. No update is very simple because we are not going to map it. Just understand each and every rule types. It will play key role in the real time. And go here and we need to activate DTP as well. And execute it. So I'm comfortable with the RSMNG. So always I'm refreshing here. I will execute there and I will check here. Okay. And now you can go and check in the inbound. What was the value for Z total 1 and Z total 2? See here. Both are blank only because I didn't map it. So this is decimal, so that is the way it is showing zeros. Okay. This is how it will work, no update. So we are telling the system to don't update anything. Even we didn't map anything to the that particular field. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, now we'll see other options. What are all we have? Direct assignment means whatever we did, these are all direct assignments only. These are all direct assignments only. You can go and check every rule. So direct assignment only. If we don't map anything, then that is not assignment. Okay. So these are all direct assignment. We are moving. So then only data will floating to the target. This is source. Simply, you can see this is icon, data source icon. This is ADSO icon. So we are transferring data from here to here. So direct assignment means whatever we have data, it will flow to the target. If we don't map rule, then it will not update the data to target. The data will be here only. So it will not map to the target. Understood, right? So like you need to, based on the business requirement, we'll perform all these steps. And now we'll see constant and okay, constant also we see. Routine and initial. Initial also blank only. Initial and no update, all the same only. This also same. Don't confuse it. All are same. Initial, no update, no transformation, all these options same. Constant direct assignment visa and formula visa. And we'll see with the example read master data tomorrow. Okay, this we will do it by tomorrow because I need some examples. So here we have a matnar. So this matnar, I will add one more field material type and I will do the material type. So for this we require lookup field. From there we'll get it. Okay. Do we have material type? We'll see. Okay, I will see that okay scenario, business scenario for this read master data. We'll see it by tomorrow. Okay, this is very important in the real time. Okay, and this read master data, where is, so for this we didn't get read master data and others will get it. Okay, go here and you can see. Here we'll see. Okay, read master data. Lookup. I mean lookup. So that we'll see. Okay, by tomorrow. I will load and I will show you the real time scenario. Lookup and read master both are same only. This one. Read master data. Where it is read master data. Read master data and lookup both are same. Both are same. Okay. And also like whatever lookup means we will write code as well. Okay. That we'll see both all these options. Okay, by tomorrow we'll see read master data and then we'll go for DTP and we'll see a rule group as well. By default, technical rule groups would be there and whatever we are going to create, customize, that we'll see. Okay. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Bye.